Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Rolex in AliExpress on your smartphone. It's a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. On the browser, navigate to AliExpress website. Once you're in the website, make sure you are already logged in with your account. Now here you can see the search bar at the top, tap on it. Now type in Rolex. Here you can see list of Rolex watches available in AliExpress. You can browse through the listings. You can find variety of prices of the watch. You can apply the filter to narrow down the search results. Here you can see the filter option at the top right, tap on it. Here you can set your price range and your shipping address, and the results will be filtered accordingly so that you can choose the product you want. And when you find the product you like, you can tap on the product and it will take you to the product's description page. Here you can see the photos of the products. You can see its descriptions. You can check out its specifications. And if you like the product, you can tap on Buy Now button to proceed further. And there you have it. That's how you can find a Rolex on AliExpress using your smartphone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.